everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make smooth movement for a platformer game in Scratch. First, go to Events and take out the When flag clicked, then make two variables called X velocity and Y velocity. Next, go to Variables and take out the Set My Variable and drop it under the When flag clicked, then change the My Variable to X velocity and duplicate it, then change it into Y velocity. Now our variables are done. Next, go to Controls block and drop the Forever loop under the both, then drop the Set X velocity. Go to Controls tab and take If block. Then go to Sensing and take out the If key space pressed and put it inside the If block and change it into right arrow pressed. Then add the Set X velocity and change the 0 to 5. Duplicate the If block and change the key right arrow pressed to left arrow pressed and change the value to -5. Now go to Motion and drop the Change X by under the duplicated block and then got to Variable and drop the X velocity inside the Change X by. Now drop the Change Y by and drop the Y velocity. Now drop the Set Y velocity under it. Then go to Operation and drop the minus inside the Y velocity. In the right side of the minus, add the number 1, and on the opposite side, add Y velocity. Now make a new sprite named Ground, color the sprite, and make it look like a ground. Now add and If block under the Set Y velocity. Go to Sensing and add If touching ground, drop it into If block. Now make a new variable named Ground velocity, then add Set Y velocity. Then add a Set Ground velocity and change the value to true. I'm sorry, we were supposed to put If Else block, not If block. Now add Set Ground velocity to False under Else block. Now add a If block inside and go to Sensing and go to Operation and select, and from that and put the key space pressed on left side and touching ground on the left side and drag and drop on the If block. Next, add Set Y velocity inside the If block and set Y velocity to 15. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.